Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial once again, and today in this video we are going to deal with one more methodology of dealing with blind SQL injection. Okay guys, so if you have followed this tutorial, this SQL injection playlist till this point, then I think you are at the good stage, right? Because I have almost covered everything, including from absolute beginning to the advanced. I think so you should keep on going, studying, and you should go ahead and you can just check the SQL injection vulnerability in the real websites. So make sure you are legal to check, because you cannot check up on any random website, so you should be legal to check, right? Okay, so today in this video we will deal with one more methodology, and here we have to bypass the filter with XML encoding. So you can go ahead and read this lab description. So we have available with the table name users, and we have this username and password, and we need to retrieve the username and password, right? So I'll go ahead and start in the new tab and have this Bobsit professional edition over here. So you can have, even follow along with this tutorial if you have community edition. So I already knew that the vulnerable parameter is check stock feature, but in the real life scenario you will not have any idea of any vulnerable parameter. So you should go ahead and check for each and every parameter. So I'll just go ahead with this view detail. You should go to this home, this account, and everywhere. So you should make sure you should be using this proxy device such as Bobsuit or Jet Attack proxy. So that will make your work a lot more easier. So I'll just turn on the intercept, and I will just go ahead and check stock here. So it had captured something over here, so I'll just send this to my repeater. I'll just forward it, and you can see I have sent this to the repeater because I have seen this XML over here. So we can retrieve out some of the useful information via this XML. So I'll just forward this. Okay, no information is available to us over here. So I'll just turn off the intercept, and I'll just go ahead in the repeater because we have to play with. I'll just send this packet, okay, and I'll see the response over here. Okay, so it is telling this 200, okay, and it is giving us this it has this 366 units. So our end goal is to find out the username and password, right? So in order to find out the username and password, you can play with it. And firstly what I will do is I will just do union, okay, from users. So I'll just send this and let me see what I will get. So it has detected the attack, so I'll just try to encode it. So firstly I'll just convert selection HTML. Okay, firstly I'll go with the numeric one. Okay, so it is telling that 0 units. So still it has detected 0 encoding, means we need to go ahead and do encoding one more time. So I think what we need to do is we need to go ahead and write this one in this ID over here. So I will just go ahead and send this one. So it has detected the attack. Select this one, convert selection, and I'll just go with hex entities firstly. So it has given us the this username. So we can just go ahead and find this username of this administrator. Okay, so our username is administrator. So I'll just go over here and I'll just go to this my account, and so my username is administrator. So I've already got the option. So now the job is to find out the password, right? Okay, so select password from users. Okay, so I'll just click on apply changes. I'll just convert selection HTML encode hex entities, send this. So it has given a lot of passwords, so I do not know which one is the password of administrator. So I'll just apply one more thing, where I think, okay, so where where username is equal to administrator, AD NASTRATOR. So I'll just click on apply changes. Okay, so I'll just do this one. Okay, I think we have done something wrong over here. Where username, okay, so I've detected what we have done wrong over here. So I'll just go ahead and remove this. Okay, so now I will just encode it with the URL. Okay, I mean to say this HTML. Okay, I'll just send this. So this is the password of our administrator. I'll just copy this one and paste it over here, and I'll just try to log in. Okay, so it is telling us invalid password. Okay, so we have not copied this O, right? Administrator, and paste down, and we have missed copying this O. Okay, so now we have our laptop, and I hope you guys got to learn a lot of methodology by coming at this point, and I hope that series was helpful. So I will just keep on updating this series. So okay, so that's all for today. Thank you, take care, bye.